boat because I think my dad might think this boat is pretty cool. So it's a passenger ferry, and it also takes cars and trucks between the islands and the mainland. So, you know, here's where we're sitting. It's for some reason it's pretty much empty up on top. It's a little warmer here because I think the sun kind of beats down on this roof on top of us. But it's a pretty neat, you know, construction, the whole boat. And this cost, let's see, 600 something. It's a little pricey. It's like in like the close to $20 range, maybe like 18 to probably about $20 exactly. It's like a 2-hour ride. Get back to the mainland. Got some bathrooms on board. I don't think there's a cafe or anything. Oh, actually there is. Look at that. Let's check it out. Oh, there's an air condition. Oh, wow, this is great. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my stuff and move into here. There's AC. And a nice little cafe with some snacks and hard-boiled eggs. Even like some coffee, ice cream. Yeah, they got a little of everything. Drinks. Alright, that's nicer than I thought. A little coffee bar. And is that, oh, there's even a foot massage parlor. You can get a 45-minute foot massage. That's nice. Let's see what's going on up here. Well, glad I took this video because I just started the boat ride and now I know there's a nice area for me to come sit. But before I do that, I also want to show you down below where we had to walk through to get up here, where they store the cars and trucks. It's kind of neat. They got them totally packed in here. Check that out. And a lot of them are just idling down here, so it smells terrible. Yeah, I have no idea why they would leave the trucks idling in here for the next 2 hours, but whatever. Floats their boat. So yeah, I thought that was kind of neat. I don't think I've been on a, well, I've been on a lot of ferries before. I've never walked through the part where they store the trucks and stuff, but it's always cool. Going on a boat is pretty much cool no matter, even if it's just a little passenger ferry. Just being on the water, especially in a place like this, I mean, with beautiful islands everywhere. It's lovely. Clear water. Alright, so I'm gonna go and move my stuff here into the room with AC. Hope you thought that was neat. I wanted to get some video of these birds. They were flying right next to the boat. Super pretty. I'm not sure what they're, I think they might be called terns, I'm not sure. This guy's got the idea. He's got a big old camera. He's taking pictures, I think, of the birds, but maybe of the islands? No, I think he's getting the birds. But now they're behind the boat, so not as good of a shot, but that's okay.